Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar, and today what are we not going to get right is we are not going to allow anybody to throw trash in our life, to throw trash on our body, to throw trash in our mind. Weird, right? How would somebody throw trash in our life, in our body or in our mind? We somehow are unaware of this fact, or we actually subconsciously allow everybody to throw trash on us, to throw trash in our life, to throw trash in our body, and to throw trash in our mind. And you know why this happens subconsciously? Because from the very childhood, 90% of the people around us, in our surrounding, have a lot of trash in them. And when they walk, when they move, they also knowingly or unknowingly keep throwing trash all around. And the power of this throwing trash all around is such that they keep earning more trash every time they spread this trash in your life, in your body and in your mind. Now, what exactly is this trash that I am talking about? You must be surprised to listen this. You must be surprised to know this. How subconsciously, how unconsciously you are attracting these kind of people who are throwing trash in your mind, in your body or in your life. What those trash things are. This trash thing in your life is the negativity. This trash thing in your body is the unhealthy food that you eat. This trash thing in your life or maybe in your mind is once again the negativity that you get from people around you. So basically, anything that is negative, anything that is not good for you is all trash. That's what a trash is. That's what is the meaning of trash. Anything that is not good for you, anything that is a waste for you is trash. So any of the negative advices, any of the negativities, any of the unhealthy food that we get, everything is a trash. Negative advice, poor advice, bad friends, bad surroundings, bad people, everything is a trash for us, and we subconsciously or unconsciously keep getting these trash items in our life, in our body and in our mind. We have to consciously stop this. We have to say to the trash, wait, you are not allowed here. No entry allowed here. No negativity here. No unhealthy food here. You have to consciously understand and differentiate what is trash and what is not trash. What kind of people are giving you trash and what kind of people are not giving you trash. You have to make sure that you keep your surrounding clean. You have to make sure the friends that you make, the people that you are around with, the people that you spend time with are not giving you trash. You have to make sure that you choose those people well. You have to make sure that when you are doing something good, when you are growing, when you are becoming successful, you have to make sure that you are aware of those people who are giving you this trash. This trash would be, it would be helping you, not helping you, basically it would be making you lose your time. It would be making you lose your money. It would be making you lose your effort. It would be making you lose your success. What more can you lose? What more can you lose? And you lose all of these things because of one thing, because of you taking all the trash that is around you, in place of taking the positivities, in place of taking the good things, because that is scarce. That is rare to find. That is very difficult to find. Good people are few in numbers, but negativity is all around. Positivity is very less, but negativity is all around. So you will have to be very conscious. You will have to be extremely aware and vigilant about accepting anything from the environment. You have to make sure that this is positive for me. This is going to help me in my career, in my future. And when you are so vigilant, when you are so conscious, you make a difference in your life. You make a difference in your body. You make a difference in your mind, and that is where you live. If your body is healthy, you are not accepting trash over there. If your mind is healthy, you are not accepting any trash over there. Your life is good, you are not accepting any trash over there. What else do you need? That is the only ingredient that we need. That is what we only need to make sure is we are not accepting trash. And when you stop accepting trash, when you stop accepting this trash, you automatically start accepting positivity. You automatically start accepting those good things in the life. So work to attract those good things. Work on attracting those positive things in the life and not those negativities, not those trash materials, not those trash people, not those trash food or items. Nothing at all. There should be a signboard written in front of your house or in front of your room or in front of your office or maybe on your desk. No trash allowed here. No negativity allowed here. Only positivity here. Only talk of success, only talk of successes, positivities, good things. That's all. And that is what will keep you energized. That is what will keep you motivated. That is what will keep you always ready to grab that wonderful or grab that next opportunity that is coming your way and make you successful. Wish you all the very best from me, Savan Kumar, and see you the next day. Have a great day, wonderful day. Bye bye.